The job market is becoming more technology focused thanks to digitalization, automation, and artificial intelligence. The industries I'll be sharing in this video are the next big thing. They are where the future jobs lie. These industries are the industries of the future. These industries are better positioned to grow alongside automation. These industries offer high level of job security and career progression. So I asked you, what are you doing today to succeed tomorrow? How are you future-proofing yourself and your career to be employable in the future? Would you be learning new skill? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. The first industry I will be talking about in this video is the healthcare industry. As long as humans exist, this industry is very important. There is the need to maintain and improve the health of mankind. The artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly effective in diagnosing medical issues as well as supporting treatment plans. The COVID-19 pandemic is an example. And so, there is a greater urgency to invest more money into developing vaccines and other ways of protecting humans from viruses. For this industry, there is job security. Genomics is the next big thing, which is the study of genes, including interactions of these genes with each other and with the person's environment. Scientists are currently working on a highly precise gene editing tool known as CRISPR-Cas9. Can you imagine upgrading your DNA, making yourself smarter, and eliminating all diseases that runs in your family? This is what genomics is set to do. When successful, it can treat genetic diseases and save millions of lives. It could also make crops to grow in more places around the world and eliminate world hunger and revive extinct species. The next industry of the future, where the future job is cybersecurity. As small businesses adopt the use of big data, cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important. With extensive use of internet for business operations, like collecting, generating, preserving sensitive information related to the business, it is important to protect such information from unauthorized access through hacking or computer virus that might create havoc to the computer system by way of stealing sensitive information for malicious purposes or crashing the entire data from the system. Experts in this industry will work to protect companies from data breaches and attacks. The job opportunities in this industry include computer forensic analyst, security software developer, ethical hacker, security consultant, information security analyst, and so on. The next industry where the future job lie is data science. This is one industry that is growing in leaps and bounds because companies with large-scale operations require people with data science skills to manage their data in order to have a competitive advantage. Data scientists will always be in high demand by various industries that are growing in the future. The traditional processing software cannot manage the daily data generated by organizations in the form of video, images, text, and audio. The skills are drawn from different fields like mathematics, statistics, computer science, etc. This big data will require critical and timely analysis in order to create actionable insights for solving both company and computer problems. The next industry of the future, where the future job lie, is AI, artificial intelligence. The AI has a huge potential in many business applications like the e-commerce. AI is the game-changing inventions that catapulted mankind into a brave new world of industry and innovation. Already, technological companies like Google and Microsoft are investing heavily. Many are hailing the next 2 decades as the era of AI. Majority of our intelligent decisions can be automated when machines or utility appliances will be interconnected through Internet of Things. They will gather more information to process and gather more intelligence to serve us better. Google studies our behavior all the time. Facebook and Amazon observe our preferences and provide us with the right kind of message with constant feeding of the customer data and other information. The machines have started learning and acquiring knowledge of their own. Artificial intelligence will play a large part in the future of our economies. Already, when you contact some big companies, you first speak to an automated machine that is driven by AI, responded to by chatbot. The next industry of the future is the digital universe, the virtual world. Ever since the Facebook CEO hailed the virtual reality as the next great technological platform, there has been a buzz around the subject matter. Virtual reality is expected to disrupt today's current entertainment ecosystem and generate billions in revenue. Virtual reality is created through a computer simulated three-dimensional environment looked through special goggles with sensors in a way that the environment looks and feels like being real. This technology is highly useful, particularly in cases where real-life experiments can be too dangerous or costly, which can be substituted by creating a life-like situation. Cloud computing is the next future industry where the future job lie. Large organizations use cloud services and the demand for cloud computing is increasing by the day. In our homes, we regularly use some kind of cloud computing services like Netflix, Gmail, etc. Cloud computing allows companies to operate from wherever their employees happen to be without struggling to access files on a particular server in a particular office. Companies depend on these services to store files and collaborate on work remotely. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please like, share. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. Let's continue. The next one is drones. Drones could be the next workhorse for the agricultural industry, flying over fields to detect and spray failing crops. They could also be used to spray pesticides. In law enforcement, it could be used to surveil international sporting events. If incorporated with machine learning and facial recognition technology, it could be used to identify wanted criminals. Hospitals could deploy drones with defibrillators to patients suffering heart attacks and effectively increase the survival rate. Drones can be used for aerial photography. They could be used in the construction industry to check on the progress of the construction work. They could be used as fun spots for drone racing. Other uses include shipping, filming and movies, firefighting, outdoor sports, and so on. Already, Amazon is using drones to deliver parcels at the doorsteps of customers. Drones is the next future industry where the future job lie. Robotics is the next big thing, which involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots by integrating computer science and engineering. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Industries that use robots are the manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, military, and so on. Already, robotics are in the manufacturing industry, manufacturing shoes. In the car industry, they are used for welding and painting of cars. Robots are greeting patients in the hospitals and making pizzas. Robots are gradually stealing all the jobs, especially hazardous jobs. Most jobs on the routine manual will gradually disappear in the next 20 years. The next future industry where the future job lie is cryptocurrency. Just like the way internet changed the way we communicate, making it possible to speak to anyone, anywhere, and at any time in the world. Cryptocurrency will allow us to transform money instantly to anyone, anytime in the world too. Cryptocurrency is the future of money. It is digital money. Cryptocurrency is money designed to work in a world without intermediaries. The next one is in mobile payments, where you have to walk into any grocery. There will be no cashiers, no queues, no credit cards. All you have to do is grab whatever you need and walk out. Sounds like fun, right? Amazon recently opened a store that does exactly that. It works with a combination of sensors and mobile payment technology. All you will have to do is to tap to enter the store, grab what you need, and your account automatically gets charged. Is the future getting scary? Let's continue. Renewable energy is the next industry of the future. Renewable energy sources are inexhaustible and naturally occurring or naturally replenishing, but are available for a limited period of time before they are again regenerated and replenished. Energy coming from the depth of the earth, from hydrogen, and from the ocean are all being used to produce electricity for our daily use. More people depend on renewable energy as the world's fossil fuel energy sources deplete. As every day goes by, companies making solar panels will thrive as they rush to meet the demand for solar-powered electricity. The next industry where the future jobs lie is in driverless cars. These cars will be powered by the sun and drum roll. In the future, there will be no need to drive. There will be no family car, no car park and driver's licenses. All you will have to do is call a smart car. It comes, picks you up, take you to your destination, and off to pick another passenger. The future is really scary. The race now is on to introduce driverless cars to the mainstream market. The last but not the least industry of the future I'll be discussing in this video, where the future job is 3D printing. 3D printing is simply the process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital life. 3D objects are created by way of using additive processes in which an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. 3D printers will make products more customizable, cheaper, faster, and more versatile as they print in multiple material types rather than just one. From printing live tissues for testing during drug development to complete airplane wings that are lighter, aerodynamic than traditional manufacturing methods. 3D printing could reshape and disrupt everything from the construction and automotive industry right through to the fields of healthcare and medical research. Thanks for watching. And I ask again, how are you future-proofing yourself and your career to be employable in your career or in your industry in the future? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.